Hi, Brandon Hardison, President of Champion Strategies, with our ongoing series of public speaking. And we're just going to get right to it and unpack it. We're on part two of overcoming nervousness. Uh, Properly getting yourself in a mental state also helps you. Like athletes preparing for a big game, you need to keep yourself as positive in yourself. So that means getting away from people. That means maybe going somewhere for a walk or a jog. It's up to you, but you need to find a way where you can prepare the most effectively. Now, think about similar experiences that you've already had in your past. Have you responded to similar situations the same way? No. Whenever they came up, you found a way to overcome the nervousness and the anxiety that comes with it. In so many cases, the anticipation of an event is the most emotional charged part of it. The athlete, they agonize because they want the start to go a certain way. And it should be the same way for you if you did your preparation. If you did everything right, you're looking for this time. If you miss some steps, well, you already know what it's going to be. The audience is not going to be full. You have already done most of your work. Actual delivering of the presentation or the content is no more than the final 10%. Once you are in the zone, momentum will take you to the end. Now, anyone who claims not to have nerves the first time they spoke in public is lying. It is sometimes that it's very hard to do because of physical, because of something mental that you knew when you were growing up. It's something simple as breathing. You cannot get your breath right with that. But you'll find the way to relax. And once you find the way to relax, you'll be in a better mood when it's time to speak. A speaker who fumbles around with materials and gives a good bad impression or entrance, like he hasn't prepared, he hasn't been organized. Audiences remember that, and they'll remember you for that. One of the most famous strategies to deal with, besides nerves, are how you're going to do the nerves, the small talk when you're meeting with the people before they go on. Many times you need that time to prepare, and you don't want to be, upsetting to the people that brought you there. But whatever it takes for you to be prepared, everything else goes to the wayside. The most important thing to remember in order to deliver your most confident presentation is that you can have an awareness of your surroundings. If you move around, bear in mind that positions and things that are in the room. If you walk into something, pass something, brief jokingly about what you just passed and keep moving on. It means practice. That's all we're saying, folks. The people who put in the time, it makes it look flawless. For the ones who are scurrying at the last minute, it doesn't feel that good. So just be prepared by being confident. How do you do that? By practicing. If you do some of the other smaller things that we're talking about, you won't be fazed by it. So once again, Brandon Hardison for Champion Strategies Workbox for public speaking, and I hope you got something out of it. If so, that's great. We'll be next time here, and as always, imparting.